Yes, get it in here, get it in here. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maurice the Crochet Master in my name. Today, I'm going to show you something very different. In fact, I forgot to tell you about this, and I'd like you to give me your time so that we can do this video together. So first, click on that red button and ring the bell so that we be able to watch all the videos that I be uploading every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'm going to show you on how to do the extended dreads with a crochet lock. We've been doing it with this other normal hooking, but I realized that there's something that you need to know about the crochet when you're locking the extended dread. This one comes like when you're going to play it, when you're doing the some different hair type. So you can see my natural hair has got a lot of volume. The one that I'm working on, it has got a lot of volume. So when you're trying to use it with the other hook, sometimes it becomes difficult to hook it out. So the only thing you do, you can just use the crochet, as you can see that I'm using it this way, so that you can collect all the hair together. But when you're using the other normal hook that we have been using, you won't be able to do it very well. So this crochet help you to collect all the hair together once. You understand what I'm saying? So to those ones, you might find like you have got someone with a natural hair that has got a lot of volume. So please don't hesitate. The only thing you can do, just get your crochet and try to use it. Trust me, you're going to like it. You're going to like it. It's going to work for you, just because when you're using it, this one, it collects the hair once. You cannot do a mistake. You understand what I'm saying? So for those ones, if it was your first time to subscribe to my YouTube channel, yeah, just know here we do all types of hairstyles, and the extended dreads, I've been doing it. You can see how you collect all the hair together at once. The extended dreads, we have been doing it in my other previous videos. So on this video, the only thing I just wanted to show you is that when you get natural hair that has got this volume, what are you supposed to do? And those things that you're supposed to the methods that you're supposed to use. So if it's your first time to be on my channel, we have been using the gel. For the one that you're seeing that I'm smearing there, it's the gel, the molding gel, and I'm using it with the crochet. I'm using this crochet. I've not been using it, but I'm using it in this video just because I wanted to try to show you that if you get an like if you get someone with natural hair that has got that big of volume, the only thing you can use to this is the good method. It will help you it will help to collect all the hair together at once. Like, you won't be doing any mistake when you're doing this. So this is a crochet, and trust me, it does very well. So you can also try it out, because I told you whenever you see something, it is always good to try it out, because that's how it keeps on helping you. So from now you should know that or maybe the hair, if it's that 4C hair type, you can still do it. You can first use the other hook that we've been using, and then after when you reach like in the middle, you can use a crochet. You understand what I'm saying? So that one is going to help you a lot. It's going to help you a lot. So those ones who have already know, or those ones who know how to do the extended dreadlocks already, yes, I know you can also try it out to use a crochet. Yes, so that the work can be easier for you to do it faster, because at times there are times when you reach like in the middle here and you find it very like it has got that a lot of volume, and when you're trying to hook it out, it keeps on or maybe it doesn't come out. You find you're looking like 2 times, you understand? So you should always try to make sure that when you're locking using that hook, when you reach in the middle, you can use a crochet to make the work very, very fast. So I call up to all those ones who didn't know how to do the extended dreadlocks, that if there are some things that you're not going to watch in this video, you can still try to see on our previous videos on how to do the extended dreadlocks. You will see everything that I'm trying to explain here, because this time around this was a little bit I tried to change it a little bit, because you have not yet been seeing me using the crochet to lock this hair, but I just brought it for you so that you can also learn all these tips. Yes, when it comes to that hair that has got, so like here in front, even if you use the normal hook that we use, that one is fine, because the front hair, you can see it is soft. Yes, it is soft and has less volume than the one at the back. Yes, so you can see how it is, and I told you that make sure that your dreads are lined very, very properly. You have to make them, you space them in a way that the lines are clear. You can that the lines are very clear. So yes, just like that. So trust me, you're going to love it when you're trying to use all these methods. You're going to love it. So I want you to look at me very careful. So when we are going to start locking, in fact, those ones, if it's your first time to be on my YouTube channel, what I would like to tell you is, yes, sometimes we do these extended dreads, and this is how we always started, just this way, and we put this hair up and down. That is the method that we do while locking. It's up and down, up and down. If it's your first time to be on this page, on this channel, and those ones who know it better already, you can also try to use the crochet when the hair is a lot. Trust me, you will love it. And if you haven't learned how to do that, please check it out in my other my other previous videos. All the steps are there, and trust me, you'll be able, when you combine the previous videos plus this one, oh yes, the extended dreads will be there for you, and you'll be able to do it perfectly. So that's why I would say, I would like to shout out everyone who have been with me ever since we started. You're doing a great job, and I promise you that I also try my level best. So like here, if you're still new on my channel, you see how I'm doing it. It's just up, just like that, and down. That's how we do it, the whole braiding. Yes, and just because this hairstyle can take like 5 hours to 6, so that's why most of the times I work with my team, and if I'm with my team, it takes us like 4 hours. Yes, if it's long, and if it's the long dreads, and if the dreads are very short, it takes like 3 hours. So this is how we always do it. And please, there are some things that you should also try to learn when you're doing long dreads, like very long, when you can hold a puff and it remains falling like at the back. at the back. The only thing you do, the spacing is not always the same. Like when you're doing this short puff, like that short puff, even if you overpack it is very okay. But when you're doing it very long, please don't overpack. Because remember, when you overpack, I always tell you that when you overpack, that means you have to cut small box. So that small lock that you have locked, it won't be able to hold that long hair for all that long. You understand? So that's why you should, the spacing is different from this normal locking. So please, you should also note that. It will help you a lot. So for now, you can see how I'm doing it, and please enjoy my dreadlocks. You can see how I'm doing it. And my name is Maurice, the crochet master. I love you so much, and please, let's meet in the next video. Enjoy the extended dreads with a crochet.